Good afternoon, guys. This is Oreassin here with another build from you. Today we got an item from Cosplay. They sent us an attach and build product. We're attempting to use that and only that in our next build. This is what it looks like. It came in a nice package full of goodies, and we're going to try to use that and only that on the left half of our Hell Rangers. We're going to be attempting to use this Cos bond only to secure this nylon strap to this polystyrene chest core. We've already done it on this side using super glue and hot glue. What do you need? Sure. Cos bond is a peel and stick application where you'll peel it at the edge, apply this edge to the material, and the other edge will be peeled off, putting on the base. We're going to use that now. Definitely the fact that it's in a sheet form makes it a little bit easier to manage. You're not waiting on any glues or anything to dry. Just the fact that you have it pre-made in a sheet form makes it easy. So this stuff is really, really sticky and it's hard to cut. And we found something that can actually cut these guys. Now this side is ready to be peeled off. Now we take this and we adhese it down. I feel like it is secure. It's in place. It's not going anywhere. Alright, now that we have attached the top pauldron core, we will be attempting to use Cos bond to polystyrene and cardstock. These two will then be fused together with fiberglass resin. So we're going to be cutting strips of this to see how well it attaches with minimal contact area. So we have created one side using super glue and hot glue, and the other side using our Cos bond. Next, what we're going to do is use some resin and some primer, and we're going to see how well this stuff holds up to a sanding and a dremeling. Stay tuned for the next video, brought to you by Cosplay.